So you are an Amazon KDP content creator and you've been struggling with how to get the best of keywords, and I'm going to show you that in this video. So if you've been in this game for a long time or you're just a beginner, you should by now know that your keywords are very important and the method in which you do your keyword research is very important. I'm going to show you in this video how you can do that with a free tool, beginner friendly, and anyone can do it using just an extension and your Amazon KDP site. Okay, so the first thing you're going to be doing for this research is to get your the extension I'll be using for this video to show you guys how to do your keyword research. And the name of this extension is the AMZ suggestion expander. All right, so you can just go to your Chrome store and navigate your AMZ suggestion expander. So to get to your Chrome store, for those of us that don't know, I'm just going to click on these three dots by my right hand top here and ensure that you're using your Kiwi browser. I always say Kiwi browser is very important for a mobile phone user. Ensure you have Kiwi browser installed. Is another version of a Chrome browser. Okay, so I'm gonna scroll here and this is extension. If I click on this, it's gonna take me to the extension store, and these are my current extensions, right? So I'm just gonna click on store here. So this is just basically me showing you how to get the extension I'm talking about here. So this is the extension store. So to get that particular extension I'm going to click on this search bar here. I'm going to type in AMZ suggestion expander, and I'm going to click on search, and here it is. This is it. I have mine installed already. As you can see, it's installed. So for you to install it to your browser, you're going to click on it and you're going to see add to Chrome. So if you don't have it, you're going to see add to Chrome. So since I already have mine, what's displaying here is remove from Chrome. Okay, so this is how you get your extension. Okay, that's the part. Don't forget AMZ extension. This is the logo. This is what it looks like. So the next thing you're going to be doing is to go to your browser. Again, use your Google Chrome browser. You're going to type in, sorry, let me go back to my Amazon KDP. I want to type in Amazon KDP bestsellers, and you're going to see ZGBS. Ensure you click on the ZGBS link. That's one I use personally. Okay, I'm going to bring you here. For those of us that are not in the US and you want to make sales and you want your target audience, people buying your books, to come from the US, from Canada, and all that, you're going to change your address. This is where you normally change your address here. Hey, you're going to change your address. So if yours is showing the place you reside at and you don't want that, you can change it. So for you to make sales, I would advise you to change it to 10001. That is 1001. It's going to take your market to the United States audience. Mine is showing New York 1001. Okay, so ensure you change your address. Okay, that's just it. I'm just showing you the important basic step for going into keyword research properly. All right, so that's how you do it. That's how you do it. So since we're here, we've gotten our extension ready, we have our site ready. If you're using a mobile phone, ensure you put it on, what's it called, desktop mode. Okay, after doing that, I'm going to click on this search bar here. So what are we first of all, you're going to decide on what kind of book you want to write on. Is it a coloring book? Is it a high content book? Is it a low content book? What do you want to do? Is it a motivational book? Is it a health book? So and so. Okay, for this video I'm going to be working with a low content book. I'm going to be working with a journal. Right, I'm going to be working with a journal. So I'm going to type in something that's related with a journal book. So I'm just going to type in journal to see what's to see and show you how to use this tool. So this is it. So by this plain white list of words here are just the suggestions from Amazon site itself, while this pink and this green are from the AMZ suggestion expander, and these are your keywords that you're going to be using, that's going to rank your books. Okay, now you're just not going to use it like that. You still have to go further into your research. So I just typed in journal, and it's giving me, for the Amazon KDP site, it's giving me journal of a solitude, journal journaling, journal prompts, and all that. Then for this what's it called, AMZ suggestion, they are giving me gratitude journal, journal for women, journal supplies, journal kits, and so on. So now I'm going to show you how to make the best out of these two. So if you're using your laptop and you have access to a spreadsheet, Excel, you could use that for our next step. If you don't have that, that's fine. You can use your Google Docs. You could use your Samsung Notes, or anything you can write on. Okay, so for this video I'm going to be using my Google Docs. So I'm just going to go over to my Google Docs here. I'm going to get back here. I'm just going to go to my Google Docs here. So this is my Google Docs. Now I want to create a table in my using my Google Docs. So I'm just going to click on this plus sign here. I'm going to click on table, and I'm going to choose the amount of rows and columns I want. So this is just giving me 3, so I'm just going to use these 3 for as my example, right? So this is my Google Docs event. So I think I'm just going to go with 2 rows, but let me just go ahead since it's just an example. So at the top I'm going to give you and keywords. I'm gonna label it as my keyword here. I'm gonna label it as my keywords results. Keyword results. So stick with me, guys, so you get to understand properly what I'm doing here. Okay, so this is my keyword and this is my keyword results. I'm just going to go back to my Amazon KDP site, and we still have our journal up. So let's go ahead to type in a journal books. Okay, journal book. So with these two, sometimes you just have to wait for it to come up. It doesn't just come up automatically, right? So these are all keywords. So we have a shadow book journal. This is just my Amazon to suggesting these keywords for me. If I scroll or slide here, I want to see blank journal book. I want to see journal book aces, journal book for dad. So I'm just going to click on this, any of them here. Journal book for dad, and this is what it shows me. And these are the books for journal books for dad. Okay, so now you're gonna take note of your composition, and this here is the result. We have 7,000 books already published on the topic, on the keyword journal for dads. Okay, so I'm just gonna take note of that. I'm gonna go back to my what's it called, my Google Docs, to take record of that. I'm gonna type in journal book for that, and over here at the keyword results I'm going to type in 7,000, because that's the amount of competition I have with this keyword. Okay, so I'm just going to go back. I'm still going to type on this search bar again to get other keywords. I'm just going to delete this. So basically you can use just your Amazon suggestion, but if you want to go more in depth and get more keywords, you should definitely use the AMZ suggestion expander. Okay, it gives you a variety of keywords to work with. So we have baby journal book, we have journal book for daughter, journal books aged. Okay, yeah, we have journal book written. Let's see it. Let's see the results. Okay, this is giving us 20,000 results. Over here it's 20,000 results. Journal book Christian. So I'm not even going to write that because that competition is too much. As a beginner, as someone that wants to rank in the Amazon KDP market with your books, go for a keyword result not more than 1,000. So it should always be 1,000 or less than 1,000. Okay, so we're just gonna type in to see if we can get a good competition results. All right, so let's delete this. Journal books, let's see. Okay, journal books brand notebook. I think this looks good. So this has this has about 2,000 results, and it's still not gonna work with our method. Okay, so always 1,000 or less than 1,000, not more than 1,000. So this is not gonna work. We are still gonna search for something that's gonna work with our method. Okay, so don't feel pressure to use something that's very competitive. Always follow your rules, right? So I'm just gonna um set click on the search bar to type in something until we get our desired result. All right, so let me just delete this, guys. If you've not subscribed, please do subscribe. So let's see if um so my AMZ, okay, here it is. Let's see if we can get a good one. I'm going through them. Journal book is, no, I clicked wrong, so I'm just going to go back. Okay, clicked wrong. Journal book, I saw something I like. Journal book brand notebook. Let's see if that was gonna work. Let's see if we can get it back. So it's no longer here. Yes. Okay. I'm just gonna type it out, right? Journal book brand notebook. I think that's what I saw. So my AMZ is not loading anymore. So sometimes this is what happens. You just have to be patient, okay? So I'm just gonna use a regular Amazon search. Okay, this has 100,000 results, so this is way too much. Don't even come close. This is way too much competition, so we're not going to work with this at all. So let's see what we can work with that is going to give us 1,000 or less than 1,000. Okay, so guys, I forgot to mention this area here where it says all. So this is when it's in all, is in the general Amazon store here. So I'm just, to make research easy, I'm just going to put it on what's it called again, Kindle store. So I'm just going to scroll looking for Kindle store. This is going to make your research process easier. Okay, so you can go ahead with all. You're also going to get a good result, but you can also go ahead with the Kindle store option. Okay, so I'm just going to click on it and do my normal research. Okay, so I'm just going to go with one of these keywords here, journal book. So I'm just going to click on something here. So my AMZ is not loading fast, so I don't want this video to be very long, so I'm just gonna go ahead to pick on one of these normal research. Like I said, you can also use your Amazon normal suggestion keywords, right? But the AMZ just gives you more options to add into your back end keywords to ensure you fill them. Okay, yes, this gave us 971, so this is just perfect. This is something that you should work with 1,000 or less than 1,000. So this is going to help you rank better. Okay, just in now just 971. So I'm just going to go back and take record of this. So I'm just going to copy the name, the keyword, shadow book journal. So I'm just going to copy, and then I'm going to go back to my Google Docs to record that shadow book journal 971. So basically this is how you do your simple keyword research that is going to be very profitable. Okay, this is what people are typing in, this is what people are searching for. You're going to do this and ensure you take nothing more than 1,000 keywords result. Okay, for this 7,000 is a no, so it's a no, it's too much. For this 971, this is what we are looking for, 1,000 or less than 1,000. It helps your books rank better. So this is how you can easily do your keyword research. This to AMZ suggestion just gives you more options, more keywords to input into your back end keywords. The space is there, ensure you fill up the spaces, do not leave any space. Okay, you're not here to joke, do not leave any space. This tool is free, just go to your Chrome extension store and download it. Okay, so this is the end. We've come to the end. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a like, and if you've not subscribed yet, ensure you do subscribe. This it helps the channel grow. And to all of us that have subscribed, to all those that have subscribed, a big shout out to you, a big thank you to you. Thank you for supporting this channel. If you've not subscribed, once again, please do subscribe. Show this channel love, show this channel support. I love you all and thank you for watching. And if you want, I think I have a video of Amazon keyword research tools that are also free. These are just pure site, they are not extensions. You can check them out. I'm going to link the video in the description box, so ensure you check it out. We've come to the end of this video. Thank you once again for watching, and I will see you in my next video.